Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play two players on Super Mario Odyssey. To begin, understand that this game offers a unique cooperative experience. One player will take on the role of Mario, controlling his movements and actions. The second player will then control Cappy, Mario's sentient hat, providing crucial support and interaction. This setup allows for a dynamic and fun shared adventure, making teamwork essential for success. Setting up your two-player adventure is straightforward. First, ensure you have two Joy-Con controllers connected to your Nintendo Switch system. From the game's main menu, simply select the two-player option to initiate the cooperative mode. Player 1 will then automatically assume control of Mario, guiding his every move. Player 2 will take charge of Cappy, Mario's powerful hat, ready to assist in countless ways. It is a seamless process to jump into the action together. As Player 1, you will embody Mario, the iconic hero. Your primary responsibilities include controlling Mario's precise movements, executing his signature jumps, and performing powerful ground-pound attacks. With Cappy's help, you can also capture a wide array of enemies and objects, gaining their unique abilities. Your focus will be on navigating the vibrant kingdoms, overcoming platforming challenges, and interacting directly with the rich game environment to progress through your adventure. Player 2 takes on the crucial role of Cappy, Mario's versatile companion. You will have the freedom to fly Cappy independently around Mario, exploring the immediate surroundings. Your abilities include attacking enemies, collecting valuable coins, and activating various objects from a distance. By stunning foes and grabbing items that Mario cannot reach alone, you provide essential support, making teamwork incredibly rewarding. Cappy's unique powers are vital for overcoming many obstacles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.